Привет-привет! I'm so happy to see you, and today I'm going to teach you some Russian phrases which help you to sound like a Russian native speaker. Let's do it right now. The first phrase for today is «Всё не слава Богу». Let's try to pronounce it slower. «Всё» we pronounce «в» like «ф». «Всё не слава», не слава, we pronounce не and слава like one word. Не слава Богу. Всё не слава Богу. Literally, it means everything is not thanks God. But in fact, we use this phrase when bad things happen one by one and there is no end at all. Well, for example, в этом году она уже 5-й раз ломает ногу. This is the 5th time she has broken her leg this year. Эх, у нее все не слава Богу. Oh my god. У нее все не слава Богу. Let's go to the next one. However, we have the opposite phrase. Слава Богу. Слава, слава Богу. Слава Богу. Literally, it means thanks God. We use this phrase when we hear good news. Something positive. Well, for example, она сдала экзамены успешно. Она сдала экзамены успешно. She has passed the exams successfully. Good news, right? Слава Богу. Слава Богу. Thanks God. The next phrase is редко, но метко. Be very attentive with the word редко, because we pronounce the letter D as T. Редко. Редко, но метко. Редко, но метко. Редко, но метко. It means, literally it means, rarely but hitting the target. But we use this phrase when we describe people who speak rarely but always sharpen their words. For example, она говорит редко, но метко. Она говорит редко, но метко. She speaks rarely but aptly. The last phrase for today. Душа не лежит. Душа не лежит. Be very attentive because we pronounce не and лежит like one word. Душа не лежит. Не лежит. Душа не лежит. What does it mean? I use this phrase frequently. Literally, it means soul does not lie. Word sounds weird, right? But let's have a look. We use this phrase when we have no desire to do anything. For example, я уволилась с работы, потому что поняла, что моя душа не лежит к финансам. Let's try to repeat it. Я уволилась с работы, потому что поняла, что моя душа не лежит к финансам. I quit my job because I realized that my soul did not lie toward finance, or I was not interested in finance. Moreover, we use this phrase when there is no sympathy, trust or disposition to anyone. For example, он хороший человек, но душа у меня к нему не лежит. He is a good person, but I don't like him. Let's try to repeat it again. Он хороший человек, но душа у меня к нему не лежит. He's a good person, but I don't like him. You can remember this phrase like that. У меня душа не лежит к. And then you should use the dative. К чему? To what? Or к кому? To whom? For example, у меня душа не лежит к сладкому. У меня душа не лежит к сладкому. I don't like sweets, and someone should shout, "You're a liar, Yana," because I'm a big fan of sweets, of course. Well, the next example. У меня душа не лежит к кому? To whom? К тому. У меня душа не лежит к тому. I don't like Tom. That's all for today. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Пока-пока! Увидимся!